Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate items in Minecraft Bedrock. First, you'll need to prepare your world. Gather the items you wish to duplicate, such as diamonds or rare resources. Ensure you have a stable internet connection if playing on a server, or a reliable save point in a single-player world. This initial setup is crucial for the methods we'll explore, allowing you to efficiently multiply your valuable resources with just a few simple steps. The chest duplication method is quite straightforward. Begin by placing a chest and filling it with the items you want to duplicate. Next, save and exit your world, then immediately re-enter. Now, break the chest, and as soon as the items drop, quickly close your game application. When you reopen Minecraft and load your world, you should find the original items still in your inventory, plus the duplicated items on the ground. This can yield double your initial amount. For larger quantities, the shulker box method is highly effective. Fill a shulker box with the items you wish to duplicate. Place the shulker box down, then break it. As soon as the shulker box drops as an item, quickly close your game application. Upon re-entering your world, you will discover the shulker box, still full of its contents, in your inventory, and another shulker box with its contents on the ground. This allows for duplicating many stacks at once. Before attempting any duplication, it is highly recommended to back up your world. Game updates can sometimes patch these glitches, so what works today might not work tomorrow. Use these methods responsibly to enhance your building or survival experience, rather than to exploit multiplayer servers. These techniques are generally applicable across various Bedrock platforms, including consoles and mobile devices, offering a versatile way to manage your in-game resources effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.